Nginibingelele nonke South Africa. Indumandumane edume ezizweni. I-dictionary indaba ethi umndeni. Inamba kaKhehlelezi noma ka-WhatsApp ithi 071 130 7808. Noma ungangishayela enambeni ethi yala eJoburg because I'm here in Joburg. 066 00 26633. Right, bafowethu, I know ukuthi I only need someone who will hear this, someone who will listen attentively, alalele ngokuhlakanipha nangokujula, angadetect something which is very, very wrong. I need you to listen, have listening skills, because this will be sensitive, but I think I need to say it. Bodokotela, zinyanga abathandazi, this is about ugogo Maweni. On Monday, it's a case which we need to attend at Protea Magistrate Court. I'm fully behind Maweni. I don't kill the supporting. Ngako konke ningasenicabanga, fully behind it. But I've got a question. Before we come and give full support, we need to be authorized by one of the family member. It's either by the sister or by whoever. But at this particular time, someone who needs to give us a go ahead and show a welcome, us welcome, and say, guys, my hands are open, we can do it as much as you can, because we're even planning to put the stage so that when she comes out, she address the nation. Uguti, thank you to the traditional healers. But unfortunately, the husband is not picking any of the calls. Ageko bambi phone yake. And remember, we need to spend our money coming up. There is a car that we wanted to hire, the truck that goes with the stage. So all that, we needed his authority. What if we go there and he doesn't want us to be there? What if we go there and all of a sudden ugogo Maweni magaphuma lapha nalo nathi benifuna la, I didn't need any of the traditional healers? What if it goes like that? So guys, to all the fans of ugogo Maweni, I'm fully behind. I better step back as you Ukhehlelezi and give support in Hleli. Because right now, I only need a signature, I only need a husband. Ati, go ahead, Khehlelezi, with other traditional leaders, you can come. But kusasa sizokwenza lokathi benganifuni nonke lapha. Siyacela bafowethu ukuthi uhusband la khona, can you please get back to me? He does have my personal number. I only need his authority to say, Khehlelezi, thank you for the support, I'm behind. Ngiyakuvumela, go ahead guys. But if he's not, if I didn't come with a video ethi zinyanga sonke sisukume entsambeni, ngiyanicela zinyanga bodokotela animeni kancane mani konke engayiboni kahle la, animeni kancane up until we get an approval from the husband, because we don't know the agreement. At this particular time, we cannot just gijima siphape phambili. Umkhwenyana engavumanga, kumele simhloniphe umkhwenyana, of which lo muntu umfazi womuntu, kumele simhloniphe umkhwenyana. If umkhwenyana akabamba ama calls, because the last time I spoke to him, I think it was on Monday or what, so all of a sudden akasabamba amafoni. So asimeni kancane, because we've got big plans to show support kuMaweni. But if inamba kayibamba umkhwenyana, ake niyibambeni bafowethu, asibambeni kancane nje, ngiyacela sibambeni kancane up until ilunge kuqala to the family. Once iba right with family, they can come back to us and say, especially we only need your husband. Ozothi, no guys, mina ngenhliziyo yami emhlophe yenzani nifuna ukwenzela igogo, asinakini. Otherwise ngisho nogogo Maweni makaphuma aze azi ukuthi I planned everything ukuthi kuyiwe lapha, and I've mobilized most of the people. The response was very good, but since uhusband engayibambi ifone engabuyeli kuthina, I think we need to a little bit step back, sike simeni kancane, because kunento esingayitholi kahle la to the family asazi, especially to the husband, because uyena ufanele asivumele. Angazi nithini lapho. What is your say? Uthini umbono wakho?